Welcome to the Bishop Academy online classes in class 11 subject mathematics, and our topic is union and intersection. First in all, definition of union. Let A and B be two non-intersect, then the union of A and B are denoted by A union B and defined as A union B equal to X such that X element of A or X element of B are both A and B and represented by X belong to A union B. X belong to A union B equal to X element of A or X element of B. Intersection. Let A and B are two non-equal set, then intersection of A and B denoted by A intersection B and defined as A intersection B equal to X such that X element of A and X element of B and represented by X belong to A intersection B equal to X element of A and X element of B. For example, set A containing some element A, B, C, D, E and F. Set B containing element C, E, G, H and set A containing A, E, M, N. First, find A union B. A equal to set containing A, B, C, D, E, F. B equal to C, E, G, H and set C containing A, E, M, N. Solution first, A union B equal to set A and B all elements. Set A, B, C, D, E, F and set B containing C, E, two elements are common, then two elements G and H. Hence, the value of A union B equal to set A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Second, C intersection D. Intersection means common element. Set B containing C, E, G, H and set C containing A, E, M, N. The only one element E is a common, then C intersection B equal to E. Next question. For example, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and D equal to 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Find first A union C. A union C. Containing all elements A and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and C 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Hence A union C equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Second, A intersection B. The common element of A and B. Common element of A and B 4 and 5. Common element of A and B is 4 and 5. Then A intersection B equal to 4 and 5. Third, B intersection C union D. Question all, C union D. The all element of C and D. All element of C and D. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 10 and 11 also write. 12, 13, 14. According to the question, B intersection C union D. Common element of B and C union D. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Common element is 7 and 8. Hence B intersection C union D equal to 7 and 8. And last, A intersection B union C. First, B union C. All element of B and C. B and C. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8 already right. 9, 10, 11. According to the question, A intersection B union C. Common element of A and B union C. Set A containing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And B union C contain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Then common element is 4 and 5. Hence, A intersection B union C equal to 4 and 5. Thank you, student.